Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make cherry truffles. They are made of cream cheese, cherry and Biscoff cookies. Let's start with the ingredients. Cherries, cream cheese, sugar, vanilla sugar, Biscoff cookies and mascarpone. First we have to crush our cookies. We will use the crumbs to roll our truffles in. Make sure all the crumbs are as small as possible. Now we are going to mix our cream filling. Put the cream cheese, mascarpone and sugars into a bowl and mix until creamy. It's important not to overmix, this way your cream will stay more firm. Now we can scoop our cream into a bowl, cover it and let it chill in the fridge for at least 45 minutes. After 45 minutes the cream should be firm enough. Now it's time to fold your cherries into the cream. This recipe is enough to make around 15 cherry truffles. The cream might stick a little, which makes it a little messy. I would suggest to use some water on your hands, this helps a lot. Flatten the piece of cream, fold in your cherry and roll it into the cookie crumbs. Let them chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours or put them into the freezer for around 45 minutes. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.